Good morning, Professor.
Good morning, Bella. How's everything going this week?
Fantastic, Professor.
That's wonderful to hear, Bella. How's the Clean Smart system working out for you? Are you incorporating it into your daily routine?
Absolutely, I'm using it every day. Didn't I just say my week was fantastic? That's because of the Clean Smart system. However, I do have a question for you, Professor. Why does it work so well? I'm finishing my cleaning faster, and I have more energy at the end of the day. On top of that, my clients have been tipping more generously and leaving glowing reviews, even a few 5-star ones on Google. And I haven't changed any of my tools, products, or even the techniques I use. So, what's the difference, Professor?
The difference lies in the strategic approach you're now taking. The Clean Smart system is designed around a series of logical steps. It's not just about cleaning what catches your eye first. Let me give you an example. Think about a shower covered in hardened soap scum. Before, you might have just sprayed it down and started scrubbing vigorously right away. With the Clean Smart system, you apply a soap scum remover beforehand, making it easier to clean when you reach the scrubbing stage. In some cases, you might even be able to simply wipe it away by the time you get there. And after scrubbing and rinsing, instead of grabbing several towels to dry the shower immediately, the Clean Smart system has you move on to another task. By the time you come back in step 6, the shower is nearly dry. All that's left is to wipe away any water spots and polish the fixtures. This simple adjustment in the order of tasks saves you 4 towels and a few minutes of energy in just the shower alone. Does that help clarify why you're experiencing such positive results, Bella?
It certainly does, Professor. In fact, I've got an idea.
Oh, what's on your mind, Bella?
How about we spend the next 9 weeks of our sessions discussing the importance of each of the 9 steps in cleaning a bathroom?
That's an excellent idea, Bella. The more you understand, the more likely you'll be to consistently use Clean Smart system.
Maybe, Professor, but I'm going to keep using the system even if I don't grasp all the specifics. Do you know why?
Why is that, Bella?
Because it works, that's why.
I'm glad to hear you say that, Bella. See you next week.